So today we're back in some more Roblox theme park tycoon. So today, guys, we're gonna be adding the Topple Tower. So let me see, intense ride. I've got every single intense ride. Topple Tower, no. So I have 31,000. As you can see, I expanded my park. I added some new stuff like that coaster, that roller coaster, the frisbee, the top spin, the river rapids. I already made the gravitation cart like in the last video. That food court, the rocking disc, the launch free fall, the slingshot, and I'm gonna see, oh yeah, and that swing ride. So today I need just the Topple Tower to finish all of the intense rides. So intense rides, I've got the drop tower, space rings, twister, swinging ship, Topple Tower, gravitron, enterprise, frisbee. Oh yeah, I don't have the fireball because I deleted it. So we're gonna be adding the fireball and the entrance. So I'm gonna no, this is not long enough. I'm gonna add the fireball somewhere here. What is it? Oh, that. Where should I add the fireball? Oh, I know. Over here. So, yeah, there. Oh, yeah. $5 to go in. Let me see. Okay, can we pass? And where should I put this one? Oh, behind the back. I'm recording. 4. Well, I did like it. Look at all of these wanting to ride. Oh, Enterprise. I think she is hungry. Almost every single person. Dispose some trash. I'm gonna add some more trash cans. I'm gonna add a lot of trash cans because everyone's disposing trash. Look at this coaster. So I'm gonna be waiting until I have $12,000. I'm gonna show you the park value. So I'm gonna first reset. Where did the park value go? Park information. 341,000. Not too shabby. Not too good. So this is super fried sausage and also friend and helper. And this is me. So I'm gonna. What should I do? Should I add the topple tower here? I'll see. Intense right. Topple tower. No, too small. I need 700. Only that much left. Do I really need to do this? Look at all this trash. I'm gonna be adding a crazy amount of trash cans. I guess I'm gonna have to delete some stuff for the Topple Tower. I might have to delete this roller coaster and put it somewhere else. If it doesn't fit, I will rebuild it. That was $9,000 in 10 strides. Topple Tower. It says something's already here. Topple Tower. Yes. And I'm gonna QE pass and some more. And so yeah, that's my park. It's not finished yet. I used to have $100,000, but I spent it all on the swing ride, the slingshot, rocking disc, fireball, top spin, frisbee. I'm gonna see. So I wasted it on the Topple Tower, Enterprise, frisbee, fireball, launch free fall, rocking disc, slingshot, top spin, and swing ride. What, someone's already riding it? Yeah, one person's already riding it. I'm going to see stats. $440. I'm going to minus it to $10. I know the most was 14,000. This has $6,000. Cause I saw it was really popular. I know the inverted coaster is really popular because the category went off. Already? I made it only like 2 days ago and only played about 3 hours of it, this game, and already $1,000 from it. 2,000 actually. If I fill up this hole in, let me see the gravitron card. 12,000! I want to see this. 2,000. I'm gonna ride it myself. Oh no, I squashed someone. Yeah, there. It's giant. I also made one of my friends one in my school. SAHNA21 is his username. And it is huge. His one, I think, might be bigger than mine. Well, mine's pretty big. I've got more rides than him, but I built almost all his coasters and stuff like food. No, he built his food courts and self-stalls, but I built almost all the coasters, and I deleted some so I could put some in, and I deleted some because there wouldn't be space for another one. So let me toggle camera. I must see that one. I'm laggy. Why is this here? Oh yeah. For an old. This is a teacups card. Wait, what? Let me see. $35,000. Drop tower card. $5,000. Not much. I'm gonna see one of the first stores. Soft spirits. Stats. 14,000. Let me see the observation tab. 9,000, not too shabby, not too great. 1,000 only. I'm going to my newest food court. Or should I? I'll go to this. 9,000, not too good, not too shabby. $13, 12,000. I'm gonna go to the stats. 3,000, not too shabby. I'm almost at 200 visitors. If we hit 200 visitors this video, I'm gonna. If we hit 10 likes on this video, I'll do another one of these theme park tycoon videos. So let me see these ice cream stores. Only 65. I'm gonna see my new junior coaster one. Not too shabby. Steel coaster stats 9,000. That's pretty good. I'm gonna go to my newest. I'll go to the fireball to see if it did earn me money. Yeah, it attracted 11 guests. I forgot how much. Oh yeah, 6,000. I want to see this steel coaster. $5, 7,000. Not too shabby. Okay, so I guess that'll be the end of the video. So bye.